Convert date to datetime in Python. Is there a built-in method for converting a date to a datetime in Python, for example getting the datetime for the midnight of the given date? The opposite conversion is easy. Datetime has a .date method. Do I really have to manually call datetime d.year, d.month, d.day?
You can use datetime.combine date, time, for the time. You create a datetime.time object initialized to midnight.
There are several ways, although I do believe the one you mention, and dislike, is the most readable one. And so forth, but basically they all hinge on appropriately extracting info from the date object and plowing it back into the suitable dir or class function for datetime.
The accepted answer is correct, but I would prefer to avoid using datetime.min.time because it's not obvious to me exactly what it does. If it's obvious to you, then more power to you. I also feel the same way about the timetuple method and the reliance on the ordering. In my opinion, the most readable, explicit way of doing this without relying on the reader to be very familiar with the datetime module API is That's my take on explicit is better than implicit.
You can use the date.timetuple method and unpack operator.